Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Upon say Dangote refinery don reduce price of diesel, marketers still dey sell diesel between 1,350 naira per litre and 1,450 naira per litre for different places across Nigeria. Although dem give excuse say na cost of transportation, tax and old stock wey still dey their filling station be the reason why their diesel price is still high. Na on Tuesday, Dangote refinery announce the new price, say diesel now na 940 naira per litre, while aviation fuel reduce to 980 naira per litre. As dem talk say dem reduce the price so that sufferness go reduce for country people. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. EFCC don file another fresh suit for High Court wey sidon for Abuja against former governor of CBN Godwin Emefiele. EFCC accuse Emefiele say he approved the printing of 684.5 million naira at the rate of 18.96 billion naira. Dem say e break the law sake of say e wan suffer country people. With the naira swap policy during the time of former president Muhammadu Buhari, EFCC also accuse Emefiele say he unlawfully approved 124.8 billion naira wey dem comot from government purse. Na EFCC lawyer Rotimi Oyedepo, wey be senior advocate of Nigeria, arrange Emefiele new 4-count charge wey border on disobeying the law to punish Nigerians, illegal printing of money, abuse of office, among others. Dis full tori dey inside Punch newspaper. One of the chief from All Progressives Congress (APC), Bamidele Oloyelogun, don talk am say Ondo State go lose governorship election if dem no cancel the primary wey dem do on Saturday. Na inside press conference wey happen for Akure yesterday, Oloyelogun talk dis one come outside. If una remember say na Ondo State Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa come first out of 15 people wey follow contest inside the vote wey happen on Saturday. Na the chairman for the primary election committee wey be Kogi State Governor Usman Ododo declare Aiyedatiwa as winner of the primary on Monday. But Oloyelogun talk say na fraud dem do on Saturday against members wey dey state no be primary. E say as a leader for APC, im dey warn dem make dem cancel the primary election or else APC go lose the governorship election wey go happen for November 16. E say e dey for record, including that of Independent National Electoral Commission, say there is no ward out of the 203 wards in the state where primary election happen. Dem just form figures. E say their members no dey jubilate because dem know say magomago dey inside the declaration of the winner wey dem do. Oloyelogun talk say if anything happen, make dem hold all the people wey come Ondo State to come do dis magomago, because very soon the seed wey dem plant go germinate. E come beg President Bola Tinubu make e follow put mouth so that dem go cancel the primary election. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Ekiti State High Court wey sidon for Ado-Ekiti don sen ten ce 6 men to total of 140 years imprisonment for conspiracy, robbery and receiving stolen properties. Court send 4 of them to 21 years each for robbery and 7 years each for conspiracy. The remaining 2 convicts get 14 years each for receiving stolen properties. Their names be Lateef Bamishile 31 years, Omodara Sanya 32 years, Lasisi Talabi 27 years, Omojola Damilare 30 years, Adamu Mohammed 39 years and Abubakar Garuba 52 years. Na all of them then arraigned on August 31st, 2022 on 5-count charge wey border on conspiracy, attempt to murder, robbery and receiving stolen property wey dey contrary to di criminal law of Ekiti State 2021. Na February 13, April 11, May 4, May 10 and May 17 for 2022 dis convicts join hands to rob Iji-Taiwo, Akinyemi Sunday and Ajayi Sunday of dia motorcycle, even make attempt to kill dem. Dis full tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu don tok am come outside say dem go review transport policy next month. Di governor tok dis one today, April 24, for the annual roundtable and public launch of Global Transport Policy wey happen for Marriott Hotel, GRA, Ikeja, Lagos. The governor, wey Commissioner for Transportation Oluwaseun Oshinyemi represent, tok say di policy go help dem develop intermodal transportation wey dis present administration dey committed to. E say government don invest massively on top multimodalities transportation wey born Blue Line train wey start work for September 2023. And e don carry more than 1 million passengers, including the Red Line wey dem don commission since. Dis further tori dey inside The Nation newspaper. Nollywood don lose one of im veteran actors, Zulu Adigwe. We hear say Adigwe kpain yesterday evening. Na movie producer Stanley Nwoko do dis announcement for im Instagram page, but never know wetin cause di death. E come pray make im soul rest in peace. During his lifetime, Adigwe follow dem do popular film like Living in Bondage and Breaking Free. Adigwe go be 7 pesin wey Nollywood don lose for dis year 2024. Some of dem be Sisi Quadri, Mr. Ibu, Amechi Munogo, and the best, Jumoke Aderounmu and Junior Pope. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Award-winning actress and filmmaker Funke Akindele don come out with another television comedy series wey she call Everybody Loves Jennifer. The mother of 2 share the exciting news of the movie on top her social media handle. E never tey wey Akindele tease her fans on Instagram as she tok say e don tey wey dem see Jennifer. The movie Everybody Loves Jennifer na part of Jennifer wey dey tell the story of funny village character with the same name. Dis further tori dey inside The Nation newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so that we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.